name of our company is really cool. It's Pink Kisses Entertainment. She's here with us today, and she's gonna really tell us what this is all about, because I'm curious. Come here, Green Eyes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so tell us, what is Pink Kisses Entertainment?
Pink Kisses Entertainment is an independent record label based in New York. We currently have 6 artists signed to our roster, and we just deal with different genres of music.
Nice. So what type of artists are you working with, or have you worked in the past?
Currently, our roster consists of R&B and hip-hop artists. We're looking to expand that to different genres. Our artists work with various artists that are in the industry now. Trina, one of our artists, just did a video with Mano, who's a popular New York rapper. You know, we have different things that they're working on.
Nice. And how long has your record label been established for?
The label itself has been established for 5 years. Music, for all of us, including myself and the artists, we've been doing this all our lives.
Nice. And what got you involved? What got you interested in getting involved in music and taking on this venture?
I've loved music from the day I was born. I think my mom said she had the Temptations playing in the house whenever she went into labor with me. Berry Gordy is like a true inspiration of mine, someone that I've strived to become, or shall I say, become the female version, but yet better of that. That's always been my way that I wanted to do. So music is just a passion, and I've been very fortunate enough to come across artists who have that same passion and that same drive.
Now, do you yourself sing?
No.
So you just like to help others get started?
We don't want me to
sing.
No. Ever.
I'm here with you, sister. Trust me, I know the feeling. So are you looking for new talent right now? Because somebody might be watching and
Yes, we are. As I said before, we're looking to expand the genres that we're currently in. So we are open for hip-hop, R&B, pop, rock, country, Christian, gospel. I mean, at the end of the day, we're looking to become one of the great labels, and to do that, you can't just stick with one thing. We love music, and that's one of the reasons why our artists are so involved with different other things other than music.
Oh, wow, I love that. So what other projects or what other areas of entertainment are your talent involved with?
Well, we represent our artists in multiple genres and multiple fashions of entertainment. One is acting. We currently in negotiations of getting one of our artists onto season 2 of Power, which is a show that Curtis 50 Cent Jackson actually has started up. And that same artist that we're looking at to do, his music has been on that show for 2 episodes of the first season already. There's some other things that we're doing with our female artist, Nyla Amar. She's our female hip-hop artist. We're looking at bringing her into more acting roles. We are currently, as a company, working on a Puma commercial as we speak, and we're going out there. I'm sorry.
No, I'm excited. This sounds amazing. Yeah. Wow, these artists are really lucky to have to be in your under your wings, and because that's what you do, right? You take them under your wing and you just guide them.
Yeah, I tell them at the end of the day, it's more about business than it is music. Unfortunately, we love the music part of it, we love the creating of it, but it's really about business. And I've been, like I said, fortunate enough to have very talented people who are willing to understand and learn and expand the business part of it and build a brand. That's the most important thing.
Of course. Well, it sounds like you're building an empire here.
We're working on it.
So tell everyone how you can be reached.
The easiest way to reach us would be our website. That's www.pinkkissesentertainment.com. Again, pinkkissesentertainment.com. Check us out.
Wow, check it out. Pink Kisses Entertainment. And this is Green Eyes. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.